Today, I'm going to prank my dad because so many people commented to prank my dad, so here I am. It took me a long time to figure out a good prank idea, but I have a good one. My dad really likes bacon, but I'm going to make candy bacon, so he thinks, ick, what is this? You only need 2 things, Tootsie Rolls and caramel. I need 3 of each to make 1 bacon. The hardest thing about this prank is not eating the prank. Oops. Now I need to cut each of these in half. After I cut all of these, we'll half roll them out. Now I need to line it up like bacon. This should look great. Now I need to roll it out and hopefully it looks like bacon. You think this is going to work? Wow, I think that worked. I'm going to make another bacon too. Actually, I should make a whole entire plate for my dad. This is going to be great. I made this one longer and thinner so it looks like real bacon. Wow! This makes me want to eat real bacon and caramel. That's awesome. So tempting too. I'll let Gina roll out the bacon while I make a pyramid of caramel. Ta-da! 1 more piece of bacon, then I think we're good. Okay, I'm done, and here are the planes. Boom. Boom. And then more planes down. Candy is better than bacon. Okay, we got 4 bacon chips for our dad, and we get all the candy. Yay! Woohoo! Let's go outside. Our dad is playing outside with Max. Come on, Dino. Dad, we made you bacon.
What?
Bacon.
Bacon, my favorite. I love bacon. Is this all for me?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
We made it in the microwave.
You want some too? Here's a piece for you. 1 for Daddy.
Yeah.
This does not taste like bacon.
It doesn't taste
Oh no! You replaced real bacon with candy? Bacon is so much better than candy. I can't believe you tried giving me candy that looks like bacon. You know how much I love real bacon. Why did you give me candy bacon?
Prank.
Yeah, prank. You can't give your daddy, whose favorite food is bacon, fake bacon. And now you're teaching your little brother that there's fake bacon. There's no such thing as fake bacon. There's only bacon and more bacon. Go put this in the garbage as fast as you can and get me some real bacon. Hurry! Now I really want bacon.
I love bacon.
He's gonna get us some real bacon. Don't worry. It'll be okay.
Bacon is the bug's sport. If you want us to prank our dad again, please click like. Also, write down in the comment section if you like bacon. Bye! I love bacon! I love bacon. Goodbye! Have a great day.
Hi everybody, it's Valerie here from the All Toy Collector channel with
Toby!
And today we have another prank. We're going to prank Max together. And Max was actually asking yesterday if we could make a birthday cake for his monster truck. I actually have it right here. He wanted a happy birthday cake for the monster truck puppy. It is called Monster Mutt. And so we are going to prank him by making a balloon cake. So Toby, you're going to blow this up. And we're going to blow the balloon up and make it the size of this box, tape it in the box, and then frost the balloon with the Cool Whip, and then sprinkle some sprinkles on top. And when Max cuts it, the cake should explode and be pretty awesome, I think. So my husband thinks we should cut this outside, we'll see. And that's actually a good size, and we'll tape it down, kind of squish it down as best as we can. So tie it up. Oh boy, this is, I think this will be one of our best pranks. What do you think, Toby?
Yeah.
So lots and lots and lots of tape.
Wow.
Oh. I want to push it down as best I can. Oh wow, okay. And I'll do another one too. Whoa. And if you want to do this at home, you probably won't do this outside, I'm guessing. I'll do one more just in case because I don't want the balloon to pop out of the box.
Well, what if we cut that one and cut this thing?
Okay, that looks good. This is gonna be a huge cake. And Max, he just turned 3, so he had a birthday just a couple weeks ago, and he was really happy about having a birthday and having birthday cake. So this will be perfect for him. And oh wait, let's cover that part in here. There we go, you want to hide the balloon part. And are you ready to frost?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go. And let the prank begin! Oh. I got 2 canisters. I think we'll use both of them. Some parts are a little frozen, so it's a little hard to frost. So that'd be my suggestion. Let it thaw a little bit more. Turn it. Max is gonna be so surprised. He's gonna think.
It was going to fly all over.
Yeah, Max. Yeah, this is gonna fly all over him. But also, he's going to think this is like the world's biggest and best cake. Because we've never made a cake this big before for our family, so I'm glad I got 2 containers of Cool Whip too, because I was thinking, oh, 1 should be fine, but no, you need 2. And I'm excited for the sprinkle part. I'm kind of wondering, hey, Toby, do you think we should let Max put the sprinkles on, or should we do it? We do it? Okay.
That's a surprise.
Okay, so we'll put the sprinkles on. Hold on, wait, let's spread out a little bit more. This side's looking really awesome. Wow, this is turning out really, really good. Alright, so I think we're done. Now it's sprinkle time. Okay, go! Oh, this is so cool. So all these sprinkles are going everywhere. Okay, wait, let me try some. Oh boy. Is that enough? Should we just do a ton on the top? Okay, so here, Toby, you can do like 5 more sprinkles, and my hands are messy. That looks great. And this didn't take very much time, did it? Should we put the Monster Mutt on top?
Yeah.
Maybe we should actually, let's let Max do it. I think he would like that. So we'll let Max put it on top. Yeah, this was a little bit messy. Huh, Toby? A little messy? A little in your nose? No? Okay. Okay, well, let's get Max. Okay, Max, come here. I have a surprise for you. What is that? A cake. Look. Remember? Wait. Remember how you wanted a birthday cake for your monster truck?
Yeah, put it on.
Okay, put it on. Yeah. Do you want to have it drive on there a little?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Do you want to sing happy birthday or just eat? Eat? Okay, well, happy birthday, monster truck. You're going to cut it? What happened to the cake? Whoa, look at that. Did that make a huge mess? Are you a little messy? I think I'm a little messy. Is anyone else messy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a little messy.
Oh, eating me.
Was that awesome? Did we prank you?
No.
No?
Eat it out.
Oh, you'll eat it all. Was that a good birthday cake? Do you think the monster truck liked it?
Yeah. This is musty. Thanks, Sut.
Oh, Monster Mutt likes it? Wow, it looks really pretty, rainbow colors.
Mommy, eat it.
Your puppy's eating it. Is your puppy eating it? Have your puppy eat more. Can he eat more?
Happy birthday.
Oh, not on your head.
Musty, musty. Look at that.
Well, everybody, if you thought this was a fun prank, please remember to like this video and subscribe. And also write down in the comment section if you have any prank suggestions. Goodbye, and have a great day.
Bye. And have a great day.